It is Tuesday, June 16th, and welcome to CONCACAF VideoSignals. Today on VideoSignals, the CONCACAF Beach Soccer Championship starts tomorrow. We'll bring you the news. Join me on a trip around the Confederation, and we'll end today's program with the one and only CONCACAF quiz. We start with the CONCACAF Beach Soccer Championship, which commences tomorrow in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. As you may recall, the tournament was postponed in April following swine flu concerns. The United States will open the competition with a Group B contest against the Bahamas at Unidad Deportivo Agustín Flores, while host Mexico completes the doubleheader with a Group A tussle against Canada. The competition continues through Sunday, with the top two teams qualifying for the Beach Soccer Championship in Dubai later this year. Now, let's see what's happening around the Confederation. The visiting Guatemala national futsal team will try to bounce back from a 7-0 defeat in the first game of its series against Spain when the two teams meet again today at the Domo Pabellón Alcázar de San Juan. Guatemala is the current CONCACAF futsal champion. Spain lost in the final of the 2008 Futsal World Cup to Brazil on penalties. A 10-man United States surrendered 3 goals in the second half and fell to reigning World Cup champion Italy 3-1 yesterday in both teams' opening game at the Confederations Cup. USA-born Giuseppe Rossi scored twice, while Daniele De Rossi added another to lead Italy. The result extended the Americans' winless streak against the Italians to 7 games dating back to 1934. The United States played the final 56 minutes down a man after Ricardo Clark was ejected for a rash tackle on Gennaro Gattuso. Despite the disadvantage, Landon Donovan gave the U.S. a lead, converting a penalty in the 41st minute. Next up for the USA is Brazil on Thursday. And that completes our trip around CONCACAF. Now it is time for today's CONCACAF quiz. Yesterday, we asked you to name the player who has scored the most goals for Honduras in the history of the CONCACAF Gold Cup. Thanks to everyone who took the time to send us an email. The correct answer is Carlos Pavón with 9 goals. Today's question brings us to a standout CONCACAF player, Eduardo Bennett, one of the top scorers in Gold Cup history. Can you name the national team for which he played? If you think you know the answer, please send an email to videosignals@concacaf.org by 12 p.m. New York time tomorrow. All those answering correctly will have their names placed into a weekly contest where the winner will receive a CONCACAF prize. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for being part of a growing family at VideoSignals, your source for CONCACAF news.